Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets, and today's video is my year of savings. I have $100 in prop money, and let's get to it. All right, we are going to start with our every Friday for 2025. We are doing $14. And look at that, just make you think like, dang, where the year is going. 13, 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And once again, this goes towards an extra payment towards debt. All right, next we are doing our weekly savings. And this is created by Norella's Budgets. All right, let's see. And I am using this to pay for things for my son's senior year. I did go ahead and order his cap and gown. And whew, things are getting expensive. What am I doing? I need a D8. I mean, it wasn't that expensive. I had to order some extra stuff. Where's my D8? Here we go. I ordered a picture frame to put his diploma, his tassel in. So that was what really cost, but I love to keep memories. All right, so I am rolling a D8 for this week, and we are saving $7. 5, 6, and 7. All right. Yeah, I thought it'd be so neat to put on our wall my daughter's diploma, my son's diploma, and my 3 diplomas. Yes, 3. So I can't wait to put a little collage together. So this is created by Say With Judy, and she just put out her 2026. I need to go ahead and get that and download it and print it out and stuff. So she put out her 2026. So go check out Say With Judy, and each icon is $5. So I'm just going to color this another. We're going to do this. So that was pumpkin. This one going to be like sweet potato. Goodness. I forgot my brown color pencil. Oh, well, I come back and color that in. So $5 for this week. And this totals $300. And once again, this is created. You can find this in my Etsy. I have the link down below, or in my Kofi. This is also saving for his senior year. And I am rolling a D20. And we got a 14. Where's 14? Here is 14. So we're going to put $14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. All right. And next we are going to our lovely Say 2025 and 2025, created by the Almost Organized Aisle. And I have my $35 IOU because I scratched these 2 off, and I'm trying to scratch 2 so I know exactly how much I need to save. As you can see, I finished all these down here, so I'm just working on my scratch off. So let's go for the 35, 20, 35. All right, and I think this is going to work out for me. So I'm going to scratch 2. Oh, and I went on here and count. So right now I'm at $1,806. Yes. So we're going to put that 35 in here. And then, did I do that right? 20, 35. Okay. So then I can use my what is this called? This sponge. I can't remember what it's called. Use that to wipe that off. And then I am going to scratch 2 more. So let's roll. Let's make a little fun. Let's roll a D6. So 1, 2. Okay, we got $10. And let's do another one. 1. So we go right, should we go right here? Yeah, let's go right here. Another $35. Okay. I guess I didn't have to erase that. So let's put 35 back on there. Perfect. So we will bring the $35 next time to put in there. That is perfect. Oh, it is coming along. All right. What do we have next? So we still got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, we still got $25. So what shall I do? I think I am going to, let's go back to, 25 could just go ahead and pay that and then scratch another one off. But we not. So I am going to let's put $6 in here. Yeah, so let's put a 6 here because I don't want to shade in the 6 yet. So let's do $6, 5, 6, because I budget $20, so I might as well have 14, so 6, and that's 20. So we just do it like that. Put that in there, and then put the rest inside of the fill the jar. I think that's what I'm going to do. Oh, I need my markers. Ugh. So we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. Okay. Let me make sure again. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19. All right. Do we have any more 5s? We have a 5 here. Let me put calculator because I will forget. 19 minus 5. Okay. All right. Do I got another 5? Nope. So let's do the 4s. So let's do minus 4. Let's do this 4 here. And this is going towards vacation. So this is just $100. Should I do another 4? Yeah, let's do another 4. So let's do this one up here. And this is created by NASA Budgets. All right. Let's do a different color. Should I do pink? Yeah, let's do pink. So we got $6. I'm going to do another 4 and a 2. Let's do this 4 down here. This is the most we have put in here, I believe. 4 and then, so minus 4 and then $2. Let's do this one up here. And that, friends, is $19 going into Fill the Jar saving challenge. Perfect. And then minus 2. Perfect. Let's go ahead and put that $19 in here. I need to condense this. All right, this coming along. Look at that. Low numbers can add up. $100. All right, gems, that is it. Thank you everyone for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.